Welcome to our video on the 5 kinds of teas that lower blood sugar naturally. Are you searching for natural ways to manage your blood sugar levels? Look no further. Incorporating specific teas into your daily routine can be a simple and effective strategy. From traditional herbal remedies to modern favorites, these teas offer a variety of health benefits, including blood sugar regulation. Join us as we delve into the top teas that can help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels and enhance your overall well-being. Before we start our countdown, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, if you are ready to discover how these powerful beverages can support your health journey, let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is green tea. This popular beverage is not only refreshing, but also packed with numerous health benefits. Green tea is particularly renowned for its high antioxidant content, especially catechins, which play a vital role in promoting overall health and wellness. Catechins are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide various other benefits. One of the most powerful catechins in green tea is Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been extensively studied for its health-promoting properties. EGCG and other catechins in green tea help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively. This is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and preventing spikes that can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea extract can significantly lower fasting blood sugar levels. The study indicated that participants who consumed green tea extract experienced improved glucose tolerance and lower blood sugar levels compared to those who did not. This suggests that regular consumption of green tea can be a beneficial addition to a diabetes management plan. In addition to its blood sugar lowering effects, green tea offers a range of other health benefits. It has been shown to enhance brain function, support fat loss, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Green tea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to chronic diseases. You can brew a cup in the morning to start your day with a health-boosting drink or enjoy it as a calming afternoon beverage. For those who prefer variety, there are many flavors and blends of green tea available, from classic sencha to jasmine-infused options. Additionally, green tea can be consumed hot or cold, making it a versatile drink for any season. So, why not brew a cup of green tea today and start reaping its incredible health benefits? Drinking a cup of green tea daily can be a great way to harness its blood sugar lowering effects and simply improve your overall well-being. At number 4, we have black tea, a robust and flavorful beverage enjoyed worldwide. Black tea is particularly rich in polyphenols, a group of plant-based compounds that offer numerous health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar regulation. Polyphenols in black tea, such as theaflavins and thearubigens, play a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. These compounds help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to utilize insulin effectively. Better insulin sensitivity means that the body can process glucose more efficiently, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that black tea can slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood glucose levels after meals, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The study found that the polyphenols in black tea inhibit certain enzymes involved in the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, thereby moderating the rise in blood sugar levels. In addition to its blood sugar regulating properties, black tea offers a range of other health benefits. It contains antioxidants that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. Black tea is also known to support heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Black tea can be enjoyed plain, or with a splash of milk and a hint of sweetener, depending on your preference. And for added variety, try different blends and flavors of black tea, such as Earl Grey, Darjeeling, or Assam. Each type offers a unique taste experience while providing the same health benefits. You can also enjoy black tea, hot or iced, making it a versatile drink for any time of the year. Sliding into number 3 is cinnamon tea, a fragrant and flavorful beverage known for its impressive blood sugar lowering properties. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to manage blood sugar levels, and modern research has supported its effectiveness in this area. Cinnamon contains active compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, which mimic the action of insulin. These compounds enhance glucose uptake by cells, helping to lower blood sugar levels more efficiently. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon tea can make it easier for the body to process and regulate glucose, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated the significant impact of cinnamon supplementation on blood sugar levels. The study found that participants who consumed cinnamon supplements experienced substantial reductions in fasting blood sugar levels. This suggests that incorporating cinnamon into your diet, whether through supplementation or drinking cinnamon tea, can be an effective strategy for managing blood sugar levels. Cinnamon tea is not only beneficial for blood sugar control, but also offers other health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These properties can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers. Additionally, cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. To enjoy the benefits of cinnamon tea at home, simply steep a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in hot water for about 10 minutes. For added flavor and health benefits, consider adding a slice of ginger or a teaspoon of honey. Drinking a cup of cinnamon tea daily can be a soothing and effective way to support blood sugar management. Cinnamon tea can be enjoyed at any time of the day, whether as a morning beverage to kickstart your metabolism or a relaxing drink in the evening. Nearly at the top, at number 2, is hibiscus tea, a refreshing and tangy beverage with a host of health benefits, particularly for blood sugar control. This vibrant red tea is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a powerful ally in managing blood glucose levels. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give the tea its characteristic deep red color. These antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key contributors to insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar levels. By combating oxidative damage, hibiscus tea helps improve insulin sensitivity and facilitates better glucose metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Human Hypertension highlighted the significant impact of hibiscus tea on blood sugar levels. The research found that regular consumption of hibiscus tea led to a noticeable reduction in fasting blood glucose levels. Additionally, participants who drank hibiscus tea experienced improvements in insulin sensitivity, making it easier for their bodies to manage and utilize glucose effectively. Beyond its blood sugar lowering effects, hibiscus tea offers other cardiovascular benefits. The same study found that hibiscus tea consumption can help reduce blood pressure, a common concern for individuals with diabetes, by supporting both blood sugar control and heart health. Hibiscus tea emerges as a multifaceted beverage that can significantly enhance overall well-being. To enjoy the benefits of hibiscus tea, simply steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. The resulting tea is naturally tangy and slightly tart, making it a refreshing drink that can be enjoyed hot or cold. For an extra boost of flavor, consider adding a slice of lemon or a touch of honey. Hibiscus tea can be a delightful addition to your daily routine, whether you sip it in the morning, afternoon, or as a soothing evening drink. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your diet is a simple and delicious way to support blood sugar management. Its potent antioxidants help protect against the damaging effects of high blood sugar, while its natural ability to improve insulin sensitivity makes it an effective tool in maintaining stable glucose levels. Topping our list at number 1 is ginger tea, a remarkable beverage renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can significantly help in lowering blood sugar levels. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its wide array of health benefits and its ability to support blood sugar management is well documented. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogal, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help reduce inflammation, a key factor in insulin resistance, and elevated blood sugar levels. By alleviating inflammation, ginger aids in improving insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to manage glucose effectively. A study published in the Journal of Complementary and Integrative Medicine highlighted the impact of ginger supplementation on blood sugar control. The research found that ginger supplementation could lead to significant reductions in fasting blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Participants who incorporated ginger into their diets experienced better glucose management, showcasing ginger's potential as a natural aid for blood sugar control. Additionally, ginger's antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic conditions like diabetes. By neutralizing free radicals, ginger supports overall health and helps protect the body from the harmful effects of high blood sugar. To make ginger tea, simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can also use ginger tea bags for convenience. For added flavor and health benefits, consider adding a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon. Sipping on ginger tea regularly not only helps in controlling blood sugar, but also offers additional health benefits such as improved digestion, reduced nausea, and enhanced immune function. Its warming and comforting nature make it an ideal beverage to enjoy any time of the day. And there you have it, the top 5 teas that can help lower blood sugar naturally. Green tea, black tea, cinnamon tea, hibiscus tea, and ginger tea. Drinking one of these teas can be a simple yet powerful way to support your blood sugar management efforts. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Have you tried any of these teas? For blood sugar control, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happy and healthy you.